us, it's really unimaginable for all the reasons we mentioned not to have a strong local production in Europe. And so the way to foster this would really be, well, to bring together these ecosystems to be able for them to work together. Because we have a lot of innovative companies, we have a lot of research, we have a lot of big industrial players. Yeah. What we perhaps lack and that we need to bring all together is having all these actors work together and building strong ecosystems with subcontractors, fully functioning supply chains, big industrial groups that want to collaborate with all the innovative ecosystems and that can also bring in funding. Funding is a big issue for all the innovative companies going further. Some investment companies such as us work directly on this, but we also need the big industrial players to support innovative companies that interest them and therefore and to contract with them.